Oliver, and the barn owl box. I always liked doing different jobs with my dad, like raking, painting, and building. Recently we built the barn owl box. The barn owl is going to live in this box. The barn owl keeps pests like rats under control. I'm painting this box for the barn owls. I think they could all fit in here, which is great. I'm just pulling the finishing touches on the barn owl box, and I'm screwing it. It's an inspection door. The barn owls help us get rid of the rats by eating them. Finally, we're putting it in the tree. We put it in a tree, but it was harder than it seemed. Some places use barn owls as a form of pest control. We finally put the owl box on. It took ages! Now we just have to wait for the owls. Wow, that was hard work. Because all my videos were my dad.